Hey, you. Hi. Yeah, I didn't want you up here because I got wet paint. You know you can't get up. And please don't try. Olive. Oh, hey, babe. Yeah, I don't want you stepping in the wet paint. Yes, I brought my cat with me to the woods. She's my studio assistant, and my studio just happens to be in the woods right now, so. Hey! Oh, no. Uh-oh. 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 No, 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 babe. You can't go up there. Let go. Let go. Let go. Okay. Oh, let go. Okay. The studio assistant is assisting way too much right now, so she's got to go on the floor. There you are, sweetie. Yeah, there's no room for you up there. Here, play with the toy. Okay. See if we can keep her entertained for a moment. I gave her the plastic pieces off the ends of my new paintbrushes. Okay, so... Oh, fluffy girl. Here comes Irie. Wanting to help again. Nope, 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 nope. You can't help up there. Nope. Nope. No, baby. It's not for you. Sorry, love. You gotta go find someplace else to play. It kind of drives her nuts because we're here in an RV, and it's not a very big RV. It's just a small travel trailer camper. And she, as in Irie, the cat, is constantly looking for hidey holes. She likes to hide. She likes to explore. She's very curious, as cats tend to be. But she wants all the doors to be open all the time, and she wants to climb inside all of the cupboards. Right now, the cupboard above me is open, and the camera is attached inside of the cabinet. Whatever I got to do to make it work, right? So she sees that cabinet door is open, and she is trying really hard to get into that cabinet. Oh, Irie, come here, babes. We're not going to get a lot done today, are we, if you keep trying to get up there? This is driving you nuts that you can't get up into those cupboards, but come on, girl. You can't. I'm gonna have to go open another cupboard for her somewhere. You can't go in there right now. Well, it's even worse because I let her go in that cupboard yesterday. Now she thinks it's hers. Stop. Okay, let's pause. I gotta go open a different cupboard for her. Come here, you. Well, I guess I should have done that sooner. So the other cabinet I found for her to play in or to climb in, it's her nap time. She's looking for a place to sleep. I put her in my closet. I didn't notice until after she got into the closet full of clothes that she had paint all over her tail. So now I'm going to have white cat tail paint all over my clean clothes. All right, there you have it. It looks like little Fuzzy Snuggles Irie is not satisfied with the other cupboard and is just determined to get in this cupboard. So we best be wrapping up this painting for the day.